Okay, I'm on the fourth Mathia for Unit 8, using substitution. Please do the step-by-step. You could always refer back to it. I also have a Google Doc with the hyperlink attached to kind of some key points from the step-by-step. So first question, write a new equation in a single variable. So we're looking which one of these has a variable isolated. Well, they both do. So therefore, we're going to be substituting because we know what y equals. Select an expression that is equivalent to y. Well, both of them actually are, so it shouldn't matter which one you choose. You could have chosen the other one. So substitute this expression into the other equation. So really, since they're both in slope-intercept form, we're going to be setting these two expressions equal to each other. So you're really going to have them set equal to each other. And then it says enter the result equation in simplest form. So you could use the solver, and it kind of walks through it with you. So we need to solve for x. So the first thing I would do would be to balance, subtract 6 from both sides. And then I want to divide both sides by 3. Oops. There we go. We have our first unknown. So x is going to equal -2. So since I know what x equals, you can substitute the variable x. Really, you're going to have to use the first one because that's the only equation that has the variable x. So I'm going to substitute, I know that x equals -2. And then, hold on, I actually need to simplify this, but you can use the solver. Okay, just kidding. It's not going to allow you to use the solver. So it doesn't want you to type in the whole expression. I thought that it would actually do the math for me, but it's not going to, and the solver won't work because solving is finding like an unknown and balancing the equation. So we're actually going to have to get a calculator and do 3 times -2 and then +6. So y is going to equal 0. Actually, I probably did too much work because up here, the second little linear equation actually tells you what y equals. Okay, so then it's asking for the solution to the system, so we know our x is -2, we know our y is 0, and they're going to intersect at a single point. And then you need to label the intersection and actually type it in as an ordered pair using parentheses. There we go. Hope this helps.